Hello, welcome to a new episode to my Unity tutorial on how to create a Metroidvania. Today I want to show you how to indicate in which room we are on the map. If you remember, in one of the episodes we created a map. We can activate the map with pressing M. So now we are on the map, but unless we have any indication, we don't have a clue in which room we are now. So I want to change that today, and I think it will not be that complicated. Okay, I'm now in the simple camera alignment script, and the thing we want to do is we looking for the point where we are in the big grid with the rooms, and we transpose this on the small grid for the map, and we put a game object in the form of a white rectangle on this and say this is the highlighted room, in that room we are. The white rectangle is the component player dot. It will be a sprite we are using, and we're placing it on the right position with player dot transform position, and we orientating us on the map tile map. This is the second component, and we use a get cell center word cell position function. The cell position we are getting here by looking where is the player on the big grid with the rooms, and we transposing this, so calculating this, so it will be already transformed to the correct position, and will highlight it. You can save the script. It will compile in the Unity folder. Then you create a new 2D object, a sprite, in form of a square. And then you can go, you have here in the map tiles a component with a white rectangle. You can put it in the sprite renderer. Here you unfold the map sprites, so now, and you drop it into the sprite renderer, and perfect. I already did that. I called it, we can call it player dot. And then you go to main camera, to your simple camera alignment. It's from the last episode. And you drop your player dot on the player dot. And on the map tile map, you have to use your tile map in the grid map that is here at the blue rooms, at the small ones. Important is that the player dot needs a new layer. He needs a layer map. So we only see him when we activate the map. So now we can try the script. And if I'm pressing M, you see up here is the white dot indicating where we are, and it's not on the rooms. We have to orientate the rooms on that player dot. So we try to get close to the dot. So we go to the tile palette, and we want to paint on the tile map. And then we try to, maybe here is the room, maybe here, I don't know. Okay, we try it again. And we're pressing M, and we're going up here. And we see this is the room, and we're closing this, and we see until now we have only 3 rooms. And so we changing here the map again. wrong app, sorry. And so now you see we are in that room. And if we close the map and going to the next room, you see the white rectangle switches to the next room. Maybe, yeah, so here, so you see this, okay. Maybe because we had to look up for the rooms, we should change the position of our tile map. So it's in front of the camera. This direction and this direction. We will try it again. Yeah, this is working maybe a little bit more in this. Okay, I will copy this value and paste it in the, so. So now our map is indicating in which room we are. It's working so far. You know, see, it's working. Yeah, this was the episode today. I think it was quite short, but that's okay for us. So in the next episode, I maybe add the fog. So, you know, in the real Metroidvania, you don't see the whole world when you're starting the game. You just see one room and you enter the next room, and then you will see the next room on the map also. So we need kind of fog, which is saving, looking for where we are and where we were not. So, you know, we will do this in the next episodes, and I hope you like my tutorials. I know my English isn't always perfect. I'm sorry for that. I had some technical issues few episodes before with the sound. I will try my best to make better tutorials. I hope you like it so far. So have a good time.